Hi, today's video is going to show you a few quick ideas for how you can get a large amount of text or feedback back to your students with a minimum amount of time. So first of all, I've got here a Canvas page that I want to be able to type a lot of directions on. But rather than having to type all of the directions by hand, I have a trick. I can go to a Google Doc, and I've actually created a doc that I've simply named for narrating, and I can use it over and over for as many times as I want to narrate into it. I will simply then choose Tools and then choose Voice Typing. It may, on the first time that you use it, ask you to allow the microphone, in which case, yes, you do want to allow. And then from that point on, all you have to do is click to speak. You notice that you can change the language here if you're going to speak in a different language. So I'm going to click to speak. Welcome to sign language class! Exclamation point. I'm so excited that you will be a part of this course, period. This Canvas course will be your main place for all of our course content, period. All right, so as you can see, it has some of these gray lines underneath it. It's ones that it's not 100% sure that it got it right based on what you said. Obviously, you can go back in here. You can change any typos or anything like that really quickly, but you've got all the information that you just narrated. And at that point, you can simply go to your Canvas course, copy, and paste. And as long as you wanted to talk, it's there, and you hit save, and all that information is typed. All right, here's another place that that kind of feature shows up. So when you're grading, a lot of times you can see over here, you've got these options for giving a comment, but you don't really have a place to do that quickly with a lot of text. So you can go to your SpeedGrader. From there, you do have other options. You can narrate to text right here. So if you choose this, it will do the same function for you without having to go to the Google Doc. And then the other option that I want to show you is a media comment, which you can always change. And maybe you don't want your webcam to show because you're backlit, and you can start recording. Here it'll give me a countdown. This is a test recording to show what it looks like. I hit finish. I can play it back. This is a test recording to show what it looks like. If I'm happy with it, I hit save. And then at that point, the student will actually have a recording of me telling them my comment on this assignment. Now, there's one more place that you might want to use it. You might want to use it on a discussion board, but there isn't a built-in option in Canvas to be able to reply on a discussion board. So let me give you another free option. It's simply Vocaroo.com. If you go to Vocaroo.com, it'll come up with this red button. The first time, again, it will ask you to allow the microphone. So I'm ready. I'm going to give my comment here. This was a great start to this assignment. You might want to take a look at your capitalization and make sure that it's consistent throughout. Again, once I feel like I'm good, I can hit play. This was a great start to this assignment. If you don't like that particular option, you can always retry. But once you are ready to go, you hit save and share. And this link is now a live recording that you just made. So you can go here to your Canvas. You can reply to the student. And then you can say, here is my feedback for you. And then make that a link. Paste, insert link, and post reply. And now when the student sees your response, they'll be able to hear your voice telling the student what you thought of their stuff. And all you have to do is simply hit play. This was a great start, and they're able to hear it. The other thing you'll notice is that this also works for any place that you can post a link. So let's say that I wanted to talk to the student about the capitalization they have right here. I'm going to simply hit comment and paste. And because it's Google, it'll recognize the link immediately. I hope this gives you a couple of different options that you can use to give voice recording feedback to your students or make your typing a whole lot faster. Thanks.